Let's make a coffee filter pumpkin. You'll need a coffee filter and some markers. Flip it over and smooth it out so it lays flat. Now, pumpkins are orange and yellow and brown. Those are the colors we want. We want mostly orange. Hold your marker on the side to get a thicker line. It does not have to be perfect coloring, and I don't have to color up to the edge. If you hold it on the tip, you'll get a skinny line. So hold it on the side and it will go quicker and you can get a nice thick fat line. Make sure you get lots of orange all over. Now I'm going to switch and just do a tiny bit of yellow, not a whole lot. And now just a tiny bit of brown, not too much. Now when I'm done, I'm going to take my spray bottle and squirt it with 1, 2, 3, 4 squirts. Check it out. This coffee filter is going to suck up the water and it's going to start mixing the colors together.